Guess the Gift Challenge. Justice sent us these huge boxes full of gifts. We're gonna show you what's inside. All right, now, since there are a whole bunch of gifts in here, we're gonna try and guess what they are, and then we're gonna open them and see what they are.
I have this huge one right here. I'm super excited.
Justice sent all these wrapped gifts so we don't know what's inside of them. We're gonna guess before we open them. You guys can play along with us and try and guess too. And now let's play Guess the Gift. All right, Beckler, let's try and figure out what's in your package. It doesn't sound, let me touch it. I think it's like a shirt because it's squishy.
Yeah.
What do you guys think it is?
Okay. I'm gonna be grandma.
Tell us, do you like to open wrapping paper carefully or nah? I definitely just like to tear into my presents, but Beckler's different. It was a sweater, but it's not a Christmas sweater. It's a Justice sweater and it's pink. Perfect for me and for Bella. Now we're gonna open this.
Don't tear it. Please don't tear it.
First we have to guess. Yeah. All right. I definitely think there are two things in here because the front feels squishy, but the back feels, oh my gosh, the back feels hard and the front feels squishy. I think it's like, you know, a computer, what are they called? Computer cases? Pillows? Computer case, like pillow, so your legs don't get warm when you're working on your computer.
Oh, those things, yeah.
All right, let's make sure and see what it is. All right. Oh my God! And it's a flip sequence blanket. Wait, but why is it hard inside? Oh, it has cardboard in it.
So it like stays in this split.
I love it. Kind of feels like it's definitely hard.
With makeup.
Makeup, really?
Yeah.
Well, it's in the shape of a diamond, and I know Justice likes to be over the top when it comes to makeup. So I think it's a makeup palette. All right, let's see.
Oh, well that one?
No, oh no.
I feel so evil. Okay, we're saving this.
Oh my gosh, we were right, Beckler.
It's a makeup palette.
It's glitter eyeshadow.
Mine.
And we found something else. There's also blush and lip gloss. I think we have to test it out right now. Ooh. All right, so the next one we're opening is this one. And so I think it's like a diary because I feel like a poof ball and then it's just like hard after that.
Oh yeah, I think it's a flip sequence journal.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Beckler, we were right.
Well, it's not a flip sequence,
but
it's a squishy.
It was a flip sequence. No, it's a squishy. Oh my gosh, that's even better. Squishies are so cool.
And it has a little bookmark attached to it.
And a pin.
It's so cute. And Team Unicorn.
I'm definitely Team Mermaid myself.
I'm Team Unicorn.
Tell us if you're Team Mermaid or Team Unicorn.
And on the back, it's furry. It's like furry.
So far, we are loving all the presents that Justice is giving us.
Time for this one. I gotta open it this time.
Ooh, let me feel what it is. I myself think it's a watch.
I think it might be a watch, yeah.
Yeah, because I mean, it's in the shape of a watch, and it's bendy over here and not bendy in the middle, so that might be the watch part. I don't know, let's open it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think we're definitely right. Tell us which one you think it is. Do you think it's a watch, or do you think it's something different? Ooh, it's a watch! Oh my gosh, you're right! We are so good at this.
It's a watch, and look, it's ombre in the back, and it's so cool! And it's like an electronic watch, so,
whoa, it's basic. Oh my gosh, look how cool it is. I think there's only one thing that could be round shaped. A bath bomb! All right, guys, I finally got it open, and drum roll, please. It's, oh my gosh, there's another wrapping. Woo.
That's why we couldn't smell it. No, like what if there's another wrapping under that?
That'd be hilarious. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Some more wrapping. It's a bath bomb! We We knew it! Oh my gosh, Beckler, look!
Sparkle Ghost! And it's so sparkly and
Oh my
cool.
gosh, Beckler. There has to be more Sparkle Ghost stuff.
Okay, this is the next one we're gonna open, so let's feel it and guess to see what it is. I don't know what it feels like.
I think, well, it definitely looks like a cookie, but it definitely can't be a cookie. Oh my gosh, I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, me neither.
Tell us if you guys know what it is.
Why did they use such strong wrapping paper?
Because they knew that we were going to be doing this video.
Yeah.
Wait, oh my gosh, what is it? That's so
The top of something. Maybe it goes with another gift.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool! And I definitely think it's a very pretty top. Okay, so from the first time I saw this, I thought it was a water bottle. Because, I mean, just feel it. It's cylinder. And, like, it just looks like a water bottle to me. What do you think it is, Beckler?
I think it's a water bottle.
Yeah, okay, let's open it. Oh, I ripped it! Ah, yay! Oh my gosh, that's a lot of wrapping. Oh my gosh, I was right! It's a water bottle! And it's flip sequence. Oh my gosh.
It's the cap. It's the cap.
It's the cap! We were right! Oh my gosh!
It's the cap.
Now we finally get to open the last gift. Okay, I have no idea what this is first of all because they boxed up, I think. And so now I can't feel it at all. And it's medium, large size. And so, I can't take it anymore, Beckler. Let's open it.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! There's another layer!
I think it has all the wrapping paper, now that I think about it.
Oh my gosh!
Hey, I think there was one more type of wrapping paper.
Really? I think that was it. Let's see. Oh my gosh! They put an extra one! Look, guys! Ah! This is crazy! The last layer!
Yes!
Woo!
Okay, now we need to turn it this way.
To open it. Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh, guys! It's so cute! It's like one of those pillows!
Oh, it's so cute. And it's a box.
Oh my gosh, it's the box. And I love the color. And it's so soft! Thanks for watching our Guess the Gift Challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Justice videos.